How to edit text on Canva mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can edit text on Canva mobile app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, open up your Canva mobile app. Now you can do this on your Android or iPhone, it does not really matter. So just open up your Canva, and after you open it up, you can simply tap on any templates or whatever you want to start building your Canva on. So I'll just open this Instagram up. I can just open up a blank, or I can just open up whatever I want. So I'll just maybe I'll just open up a document here. Now you can open up anything that you want. You can even open up your pictures or whatever you want. All you have to do is add a text. So right here you should see a text area. All you have to do is tap on the screen and you can start typing like this. Now you can change the color from here as well. So there you can see you can change the color, and yeah, you can change the text color. You can just add new colors from here as well, and after you do that you can type like this, and that is how you can edit text. Now this one was for a document, so let me just show you one for a different template. So let's go for this one right here, and after you're on a template here, so it's taking some time to load, so let it load, or you can just head back here, tap on create a design, and after you tap on create a design you can start a completely new design. So it's taking some time to load, so just wait for a bit, and there you go. Now let's just open up an Instagram post, and there we go. Now I have a blank page again. Now all I have to do is just wait for everything to load up, and yeah, now you will see a text option right here. Now this is for anything other than a document, so you can either add a heading, a subheading, or a little bit of text here. So I'll just add a heading here. Now after you tap on that, you can start typing whatever you want, and if you want to change the font or the colors, you can do that from here. You can change this to Italica, you can underline it and stuff like that, and that is how you can edit a text on Canva mobile app. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.